The Credo Dividend Growth Portfolio is a diversified portfolio of global equities with an objective to deliver clients a sustainable and growing income stream through dividends and share buybacks. We focus on companies that pay attractive yields and have an ability to sustain these over the long term. We have a bias towards developed market, large capitalization stocks. With the yield on most traditional fixed income instruments approaching record lows, never before has the search for yield been so elusive. In an environment of moderate inflation, investors' income requirements haven't really fallen, but the yield that they can generate on most fixed income investments has. Furthermore, the majority of yield is concentrated in financials, thus exposing investors to sector-specific risk. From an income perspective, high-yielding equities currently appear to offer more attractive value than most fixed income instruments. Even within the equity asset class, the importance of dividends is quite profound and often overlooked. In fact, it can be illustrated that over the past century, dividends and dividend growth have collectively accounted for 90% of equity returns. Furthermore, dividends are paid out of profits, which can grow over time and thus provide potential for future capital growth. This is especially true in the current environment, where companies that enjoy pricing power are better positioned to absorb inflation. This is all supported by strong demographic trends, where an aging population means that the appetite for income is unlikely to diminish in the near future. The approach to constructing this portfolio shares many characteristics with that of the Credo Best Ideas portfolio. We adopt a value-based approach to investing, and our team focuses on high-quality companies that trade at attractive valuations. We look for strong business models that are easy to understand, a sustainable competitive advantage, sound financials, all backed by a strong management team. Ultimately, a distinctive feature of this portfolio is our emphasis on stocks that can pay attractive dividends. However, dividend growth is of fundamental importance, and we do not view high yields in isolation. Inherently, companies that pay attractive dividends typically generate stable and recurring cash flows, which we believe are one of the many characteristics of a high-quality company and driver of share price appreciation over the long term. We believe the Credo Dividend Growth Portfolio offers investors a compelling opportunity to diversify their sources of income outside of traditional fixed income instruments. Furthermore, the portfolio has the added benefit of potential capital appreciation and a certain degree of inflation protection. In adopting a long-term approach to constructing a very diversified portfolio, we also have a strong focus on capital preservation.